I'm off the hills and on the flatlands of the Fens. I was travelling north, couldn't resist but drop into the Great Fen. But before that, I've just met a farmer who kindly responded to my call. They've been farming this area for generations and they're working hard at looking after the peat. The peat is mainly behind me towards the wash, and that way is the minerals. Over on here is a wood called foxcover. So that gives a bit of a historical context as to the landscape. On the farm track, we can see lumps of peat here which have dropped off the tractor wheel, and that's the key part. These rich growing areas have always been used as vegetable growing, but vegetable growing is a very extractive process, and so rotations are required for potatoes and other vegetables. And the modern context is to hold the peat, hold the carbon in the soil at the same time as farming it. And also looking at other ways, and I might get a chance again to look at the Great Fen project, which is using re-wetted peat, plaudiculture, in order to grow some of the crops, so that you also got to keep them covered, because if you expose peat, then it releases carbon to the air immediately when it oxidizes. So catch crops, cover crops are a vital part of modern farming in these highly sensitive areas, highly productive but highly sensitive, and also very valuable for other uses around carbon, not just for crops. So farming the future.